Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have French bread pizza. So I did switch up my usual sauce recipe. We start this one off with 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. And then you want to move on to a teaspoon of basil and a half a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of sugar just to get that tinniness out of there, a little bit of salt, and, of course, a little bit of pepper. A little bit of red pepper flakes, about a quarter of a teaspoon. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So, again, it's pretty similar to my normal pizza sauce recipe, but a little different. And then just stir this. And that's it. It'll keep in the fridge for roughly a couple of weeks. That's why I say just mix it right in the container. We're not cooking this. Okay, as you can see here, here's our French breads, and they're just about ready to be sauced. What I did do is I cut these in half, and then between the 4 of them, coated them with a stick of melted butter between the 4, and then I popped them into a 400-degree oven right up until they toasted. You need to do this because if you add the pizza sauce to raw bread that hasn't been toasted, all that's going to happen is the sauce is just going to get sucked right into the bread, and you're going to have, well, quite frankly, a shit product. Okay, now time to add the sauce. I did chill it a little bit in the fridge. Now, there is a debate with pizza makers, and that is the sauce. Some of them believe that pizza sauce should be a virgin sauce, aka non-cooked. Others swear that cooking the sauce beforehand imparts a lot more flavor. I myself have tried it both ways, and honestly, it depends on my goddamn mood. I will say for pan pizzas, a virgin sauce works a little better because the crust is a little thicker. For thinner pizzas, because of less cook time, a sauce that's already been cooked works a little better. But really, it's you do you. This is purely a personal choice. Again, I just decided to go with a virgin sauce this time. Okay, now it's time to sprinkle some whole milk mozzarella. The old shit, the good shit, the good old shit. You can't get whole milk mozzarella pre-shredded. Everything would be part skim. The whole milk mozzarella is usually that great big, kind of that bigger block of mozzarella you'll see at, Target, Walmart. Usually your local grocery store, but I know for a fact they're at Targets and Walmarts. And that's what you want to use. You want to use the whole milk mozzarella, especially for pizza. Trust me, much better flavor, a lot stringier, just all around better. It creates just a better product. Oh, and you should be upping the heat in the oven to about 450. It's not going to take very long, but just when you pull out your toasted bread, jack that fucking heat up to 450. All right, last step we're going to do is add some pepperonis. Now, you could leave it cheese. You could do sausage, but I just went simple. Nice little simple pepperoni French bread pizza. And then just pop it in the oven, 450 for basically until the cheese is golden brown, and you kind of know when it's done. I keep an eye on it. It does bake fairly quickly. So again, this is not the time to start watching a fucking movie. All right, see everyone in a couple of minutes when these things are done. And there you go. I forget exactly how long these took, but I just kept my eye on them, and once they look like this, it's time to pull them out of the oven. So that's French bread pizza. Done. And just think, Top G, if you knew how to make pizza like this on your own, maybe you wouldn't have gotten fucking arrested.